Guys, it's like, good morning. Welcome to the Vaugh Show. But you guys, it's like 5 something in the morning. And I just woke up like emotionally heavy. I'm here in DC for my best friend's birthday. And I just feel so emotionally heavy. Like, you know how you're excited to see your friends, but then you're sad because it's like you wish you could spend more time with them, but we all have like our own lives. You know, like we all have our own lives, and when we see each other, it's like, oh my gosh, I really miss you a lot. And then I just had this, I woke up and I was just like, I'm just so sad that you see your friends and you spend quality time with them, but you realize like this has to end. Like, you have to go back to your world, they have to go back to their worlds and continue to live their lives. And although you all love each other dearly, it's like, shit. It's like, I just wish we could spend more time together because time is like so short. Time is so short, you know? Like, it's like very, very short. It's something I thought of when I woke up. So it's like I'm trying to get over this feeling of like, why am I emotionally depressed about it? Like, why does it bother me so much that I don't know. I don't know why I'm so emotional about it. I don't know why I'm so emotional about it. This morning I'm just very emotional for some reason. It's like, I don't know. I'm like, well, let me get up, maybe say a prayer or something, or maybe like wash this feeling away. But it's like, I see my friend Ashley and she's just so happy and like life is just changing. Like she has a glow about her, and Brittany, like she was so excited. And I'm just sitting there looking at the both of them. It's like, I genuinely miss them a lot. And I realized in New York, I really don't have friends like that. Like I didn't develop friendships in New York. Matter of fact, I don't have any friendship. Like I hang with my coworkers, but I realized like how difficult it is for me to make friends, and the friends that I do have, I realize how much I value them. But also too, I'm always constantly working. Like in New York, I'm always constantly working. Like right now, I stopped and I woke up and I'm like, I'm working. It's 5 a.m. and I'm working. Like in New York, I am constantly working, like nonstop. And like once you finally take a moment to like hang out with your friends, you realize like, oh, like this feels so great. And it's like, then the feeling goes away because you have to go back to your life. You have to go back to work. You have to go back into the environment you came out of. And it's like just a moment of time of enjoyment. And it's like you want to spend more time. And it's like you don't want to regret that if something happens that you didn't spend as much time with them that you should have. It's like, guys, make sure you spend quality time with your family and friends. It's very important. Even in a pandemic, like even if you have to Zoom them or call them every day or, you know, send them messages. Like literally, I talk to my parents every single day. Literally every single day. It's not, I might miss a day, but for the most part, I don't go a day without seeing my family. On talk on the phone. And I'm trying to get them to Zoom with me, but my mom and daddy's so old. It's like they're like, well, where's the Zoom button? It's like when next time I go home, I have to set it up so that they can just press the button like, hi Paul, how are you? Or even my brother, or just my family in general. Like, spend quality time with your family, folks. Like you should. Spend quality time. You should. That's all I have. I'm done. I'm done. I feel better. I feel so much better. I do. I really feel better. I do. All right. Bye, guys.